Shine Muscat. Oh my god, look how huge these grapes are. I'm finally trying them. It's bigger than my, oh my god. Why was I expecting it to be more crunchy? It's really good, just not crunchy. I think I'm gonna try freezing them next time.
Also, thank you for 10K. Comment what I should eat for the 10,000 calorie challenge.
Watermelon mukbang. This watermelon is perfectly ripe. I am so happy. That was so good. I have been obsessed with watermelon this summer. This is delicious. Oh my gosh. I hope you're having a good day and eating some good food. Bye.
Hôm nay mình sẽ mukbang trái cây. Từ vùng ôn đới có kiwi, cherry, nho móng tay. Và vùng nhiệt đới có hồng xiêm này, xoài và thanh long. Cùng mình ăn nhé. nhiều nước lắm ấy, mọng nước luôn.
Strawberry time! Oh my god, look, wait, no, let me pick a better one. Look at this one. Look. On top of that, I have coconut jelly. I don't like coconut that much, so we're gonna try it with the strawberries. Now that I've showed my mom my piercing, I can show it on camera now. Whee! Look, it looks so good. I love it. Not bad. Not my liking. I see why people like it though. It's refreshing. It's giving pina colada. But I don't like pina coladas, so. Yes. Also, for my belly button, I had saline solution, the spray. Brought it on the airplane like, when did I fly? I flew like 3 days ago, right? And at the airport, TSA took it away. But I was like, this is literally below 4 ounces. But I guess it's supposed to be below 3.4 ounces, and it was like 3.6 ounces. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to buy a new one. It was a brand new bottle too. So today, I'm using soap and water to clean my belly button. Or salt water, either or. Depends on your body, how your body reacts to the healing process. But I'm just gonna use soap and water. Because I've been doing that for the past 4 days. Pretty good. This mix is good. The coconut jelly and the strawberry is pretty good. Let's do one more strawberry. No. I don't want that one. This one. Perfect size. My hair has been 4 days unwashed. I blew it out 3 days ago. So it's a little bit like, it's got this little bounce, but I need to wash it. It's disgusting. I do homework after this. Dang it. Bye. Oh, mwah.
For lunch, we're having a fruit board. My kids just had the same exact thing and asked me for seconds. So I have high hopes that this is going to be very good. I think I'm going to start with the chocolate covered strawberry. Let's go for the mango. I'm pretty sure this is not ripe at all.
Let's go for an apple slice. I put apple pie spice on it. I'm a child. I don't like the skin. The apple pie spice on top is so good. I love kiwi. Oh, Lord have mercy. Last bite. Cheers. All right, my loves, that was absolutely delicious. Sometimes you really just need a refreshing fruit platter. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. watermelon. So juicy. Hey girl, welcome to Healthy Mukbang Core. Look how big these grapes are. Next we have some beautiful oranges. They're so juicy. Look at the color on that. They're so juicy. Next I have turkey and cheese with some crackers. Look how cute the straw is. What I'm dying to try is this beautiful mango. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is so soft. It's perfect. I love mango. Mango's my favorite fruit. Next we have some beautiful strawberries. Mid. So juicy. Overall, I'm gonna say my favorite was the mango. It was so sweet. Oh my goodness, you guys. My second favorite, of course, is turkey, cheese, and cracker. So good. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you liked the Healthy Mukbang ASMR. I loved eating everything. It was all so good and fresh. See you guys.
Try an exotic frozen fruit for the first time. This fruit's kind of cold and frozen because I had to have it shipped in. But let's see how it tastes. Start here with the one I'm most excited for. I've seen this one all over the internet. It's called watermelon. My peach. Right, next up here we got something called a cantaloupe. Here we got something called a blackberry. Ooh. Alright, so I've seen these in TV shows and stuff before where they're feeding them to like kings and stuff. I'm pretty sure these are called grapes. This is just the green version of them. I picked my plum off the floor. Got something called a mango. I rate this fruit a 9 out of 10. I think my favorite was the watermelon. Until the next time though, peace out, fellas.
My favorite fruit